Here's how I learned 10 times faster than I have in the past. And before, I would watch an hour-long video and I would take notes, and now I can do this all under a few minutes. And watch to the end because I have another pro tip to 10x your productivity as well. Let's dive into this. And so the end product of what this looks like is there's going to be timestamps on the video itself. So you can easily just go back and see of like, hey, I want to watch this section. What's going on here? So you can easily just identify that doing this process. Then it also gives you the main takeaways. And it's not just going to summarize the video. The big thing is you want to learn from the video. And what learning is changing your behavior. And so this prompt that we use will tell you the action items needed in order to actually learn from the video. So say, for example, in this video, I'm learning the creative finance side of things in real estate. What this prompt is doing is it's telling me what's an action item I need to do in order to change my behavior to actually learn, right? The whole goal is just learning, and I'm trying to do that as efficiently as possible. So it's giving me an output in this example. Hey, underwrite every deal with multiple exit strategies. So say, for example, I get a deal and I underwrite it in only one way. I did not learn. It's telling me I need to do it in multiple exit strategies to have different options. And why this matters is plan A fails. So it's cool. It also tells you like why you can do that in the first place. But it's doing that with a bunch of different lessons from that particular video. And so you can see for this video, I'm getting a bunch of different things that I need to change and learn from this video if I want to get the main takeaway. Okay, so say I wanted to learn from this video and understand what's going on. It's a 13-minute video. You could watch the whole entire thing, but if I wanted just to get the kind of cliff notes, spark notes of it, I can scroll down and go, you got the timestamps, which is great, but I can just go down and click show transcript. And I can grab all this, copy it, and I could throw it into ChatGPT. I'm gonna grab this prompt here. I'm going to paste it in the ChatGPT along with the transcript. And so you can grab this transcript from the Zoom, from any YouTube video, and then it'll give you the output. So let's see what this video was about. So I could watch the whole 13-minute thing, but it took me 30 seconds to just, hey, okay, he's talking about the intro, how to choose the right AI model. What I do is I look at the operator debrief of like, hey, all the things. And so upgrade to the paid version for your chosen AI. Say I wanted to learn more about that. I can just go in here and just see where that was. Or I can just actually just ask it straight up, where in the transcript does it talk about this? And then I could just re-watch that. So let's do that. And there it is. Now it'll just tell me where it's coming from. So it talks about it twice. So this is cool. It's telling me everything that I need to learn from this video. So stop looking for the perfect AI tool, like examples of what good looks like are more valuable than clever prompts, etc. So that's just one example. Another example is I'm learning in school creative finance, real estate, and how to structure deals. And so there's all these hour-long videos in this school community. And so when I click here, right here, I get another YouTube video, and all I need to do is what I did before, is go down to show transcript, copy this, and throw it into ChatGPT. And so now I can learn these videos and get the analysis of what I need to do a lot quicker. So I just copied this hour-long video, pasted it here, grab the prompt, and pasted it, and now it's giving me the breakdown every time. And a pro tip is that you can just create a project with this prompt, and so anytime you paste a transcript, it will automatically give you this output. So now it's telling me all these things of what I should know of what's going on here, and then it gives me the action items. If you guys want to know how to get the transcript from a Zoom or a sales call or anything along those lines, comment down below and I can let you guys know the process on how to get that transcript, because the whole goal is to get the transcript, and then once you have the transcript, you can paste in the ChatGPT or another AI source and get the output that is needed. So why is this prompt formatted like this? The main reason is because now I could just jump in where certain things matter. I can find the spots where like the mic drop is. I can just easily just identify those and jump in. So that's really cool. Especially if it feels like a 3-hour long webinar. I can just easily grab from the transcript. I can just see where best moments were. Next is the action items. This shows you exactly what I should do. And then risks and mistakes to avoid is how do I learn this without learning the hard way. The 80-20 insights is what's the small number of ideas that's creating the biggest impact from this video. So you can just easily see those all in one spot. And then the top 5 lessons is like, say, hey, you forgot everything from the video. What matters the most? And then this is cool regarding just like learning in general. What do I need to implement tomorrow to show that I've learned from this video? So another pro tip is using NotebookLM. So ChatGPT can give you a specific output for a certain video, but if you want a bunch of videos at one time, I recommend using NotebookLM. And NotebookLM is free to be able to do this in this capacity. And so say, for example, YouTube, I just grabbed all these YouTube videos and I just created a project here. You say, go to NotebookLM, try NotebookLM, you sign up, you create a notebook, and you say add the sources. And so I just added a bunch of different sources on how to be successful with YouTube. Obviously, I haven't blown up yet, so I haven't changed my behavior. But outside of that, the idea is you would put all these in here, and then you can just ask questions on those videos, and it's grabbing the information. So for example, I said, what are the biggest takeaways from these videos? And it's giving me the whole rundown of all of what these videos said. It's giving me the rundown of how to approach it. And then also with NotebookLM, you can consume this information in different ways. So say these YouTube videos, you wanted to watch it through a podcast or a slide deck, you can just click these and actually would do that for you. You can make a quiz on these certain things. So a NotebookLM is a whole another thing that you can learn very efficiently. And the craziest part, this is all free for NotebookLM to be able to do all these things. So I can grab like podcasts about how to do creative finance, for example, in my example, and then also all these school YouTube videos, and I could put these all into a certain notebook, and then I could just create a quiz on it to see if I've understanding of the material. And then I could also, on top of that, just get all the actionable things I need to do to change my behavior to implement what I learned. So I can learn 1,000 times faster with AI and using it in this capacity. And the big takeaway is that you can still watch the full video, listen to the full podcast. The big thing here is this is just the Cliff Notes version of it, so you can be more efficient. So say it is a 3-hour long video that you don't want to watch, you can now have a way to do this more efficiently. So to wrap this up, the people who grow the fastest aren't the people who consume the most information. They are the people who gain and take someone else's experience and turn it into changed behavior. They gain the wisdom without paying the full price, and that's what the system helped me do. So you could watch the hour-long video, or you could do this in a couple of minutes and identify the spots that will really help you and learn quicker. If you found this video helpful at all, please subscribe and drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Also, all the links are below. Thank you, and until next time.